Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Thursday and it's quite early, guys. Mia just went off to school like what, 20 minutes ago, but Jessie and I have an appointment this morning. We are going to meet up with our friends for breakfast. They are based out of the country and they came in for a little bit of a holiday, so they asked us to meet them up for breakfast today, and that's where we are going. I'm just trying to put some moisturizer on my face because, guys, Hamatan in Abuja is on a different level right now. Like, it is affecting everybody. The bad cold I had sometime last week was literally because of the drastic change in weather, so it is affecting everybody. Even Mia is having like clogged nose, you know. It has been crazy. I want to wear a wig today, that's why I'm wearing this wig cap. I received this wig recently from a brand. This brand is called, so this is what the wig came in. It came in this cute little pink bag. Really cute, and I believe this is the owner of the brand. So the brand name is Hair by Mo. So she sent me a braided wig. She does mainly braided wigs, and she sent me one of her braided wigs. It came in this bag, all right, and it also came with a few things. Yeah, it came with this card, this how to use card, how to care for your braided wigs, and it even came with this scissors as well to cut off your lace before wearing your wig. So this is what the braids look like. So beautiful. I haven't worn this yet. I just took it out of the bag so that it just remains straight. Took it out of the bag and I hung it on my wig rack just so that the straightness will be maintained, and I'm about to wear it for the first time today. So this is what it looks like. I'm super happy about this because I don't really have like braided wigs anymore. I do have one that is blonde, but it's a long time I wore that wig and it has even lost shape because it's always in a bag. It's now like this, so I hardly wear it. So I'm happy that, you know, I have this one now. Again, it's from Wigs by Mo. Hair by Mo. So beautiful and so well done, guys. Like, it's loose braids. It's not like tight braids. They look like really loose braids. Ooh.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside.
Ooh, I like this. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow. I really love this, guys. I love the vibe of this braids. Hey, you no go no hey. Hey. I love this, guys. Oh my god, it is so cute and it feels kind of light. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on my head at all. Can't believe I haven't worn this wig up until now. So gorgeous. It just took my look from 0 to, I don't want to say 100 because I don't have makeup on, 0 to 99.999999999. Ooh, I love it, guys. It's so beautiful. This is my hair for today. It's still morning, so the heat is not as much yet. The sun is not out yet. It's out, but not like out. So just in case you want braided wigs like this, go cop yourself one or two from Hair by Mo. And I really love the color. I asked her to mix color 33 and color 30. I think that's what I asked her to mix. So that's the vibe I'm getting right here. I love it. Like, I love it, guys. Okay, I'm just going to apply lip balm. I'm not wearing makeup because, please, it's too early for that. It's too early for all that makeup, so I'm not doing anything. I just applied moisturizer. I'm going to apply this lip balm. This one is from Clinique. It's a Clinique lip balm. I'm going to apply that. I'm wearing this kimono from Maps Couture. I wore this to film an IG video some time ago, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Usually this doesn't come with the kimono. I just added this because I didn't want the kimono just flying up and down. So I added this black belt just to keep the kimono together. Otherwise, it's just like a regular kimono without a belt. I'm wearing leggings under and a top, a camisole inside as well. All right, guys, so let's go and have breakfast at the Hilton.
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time
are you now? How is America? What state are you guys? Hello, Georgia. Oh. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday. I'm just about leaving my house. I'm going for a Saturday workout. So my husband's friend, will I even call him my husband's friend? So my husband's literally almost cousin at this point because they're really close. He's actually like Jeremy's cousin, right? Jeremy that we lost. So Jeremy's cousin, he opened a dance studio around where we stay. That was in October. So he does like workout classes, dance workout classes. Today being Saturday, I'll be going today to have 2 hours, full 2 hours of workout. Anyway, the last time I was there, my body pained me for like a whole week because it was quite intense. But anyway, yeah, I'm going there right about now. I'm wearing this sports bra inside. I have this matching set, comes with this sports bra and then the pants, all right? But I wore a top, like a flimsy top on it because it's a sports brand. I don't have flat stomach so I cannot be showing off my big belly. Anyway, that is what this Saturday morning is going to be like, and if you guys want to come along, then I shall take you along with me. Let's go.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Now wow, Eliza is cooking up a storm here. Stew, chicken stew, plantain, bit. You already have plantain now. Everybody is ready. Oh, wow, sweet lunch today. Babe, are you ready to eat? A little. Enjoyment.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Hey guys, so we have come to the end of Vlogmas day 5. I know that this vlog was just I don't know what this vlog was about at this point, but hope you guys enjoyed watching anyway. In case you're wondering, this is like my house dress. This is a dress I wear most days I'm in the house. I'm sure many of us have, you know, house clothes like this that we wear almost every single time that we are at home. Anyways, just thought to throw that out there just in case you guys are wondering. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, or I just might take a few days off, guys, maybe like 2 days or something before the next video, which anyway, we shall see. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.